So you're missing class tomorrow. That means you're going to miss the distributive property as well as an introduction to equations. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly with you. Forgive me, I'm writing with my finger because the board won't let me do anything else. So hopefully this works. Doesn't seem like it's working. Okay. So we've got something like this. 5. This is going to shoot. I'm not going to like this. And then parentheses x plus 7. And it's asking us to write in simplified form, which means to expand it. So get rid of the parentheses. So we're going to multiply the 5 times the x, the 5 times the 7. So 5x plus 35. Sorry, it's horrible, 35. Okay. They've got this one with fractions that looks like this. 11 plus 3x over 6. And what they want you to do is they want you to break that down into 1/6 times 11 plus 3x. Okay, and then from there we would actually simplify that and we would get 11 over 6 plus 1/2 x. So remember, we would get 3x over 6. 3 over 6 simplifies to 1 over 2, so therefore that's the answer that we get there. Okay. I can't see the... Alright, I'm just going to erase this stuff. Alright, example number 3 looks like this. You have a negative sign in front of something with the distributive property. Let's say this, let's call that a negative. Okay. So we're going to distribute this negative 1 to everything inside. So negative 1 times a is negative a, and negative 1 times negative 5 is plus 5. Okay, so that's the process whenever we have a multiplicative property of negative 1. I'm going to let you kind of look at example 4. That might be a good idea. And then the last part is about combining like terms. Remember, like terms must have the same variable and exponent combination. So if we have something like this, negative 7 m n to the 4th, minus 5 m n to the 4th. Since the letters and the exponents are the same, we can combine the numbers. So first off, we know that we're going to end up with m n to the 4th, and now we just have to do negative 7 minus 5, which is negative 12. Okay. So that is section 7 in a nutshell. Okay. For section 8, go catch a Pokemon. Okay, I'll be back. With section 8, they're talking about open sentences, which means one or more variables and may be true or false based on the numbers. So what they're going to do is they're going to give you an expression, something like this, 6m, oops, I'm on the eraser. Sorry, this is horrible. I'll get better. I need to get my board working. 6m minus 8 equals, let's say, negative 5. Oops. And they tell us that m equals net 1/2. Excuse me, 1/2. Is that right? Okay, so you're going to determine, is 1/2 a solution to this problem? So you plug it in. So we take 6 times 1/2 minus 8 equals negative 5. We get 3 minus 8 equals negative 5. And this side here is negative 5 equals negative 5. So yes, this is a solution. Okay. Beyond that, they're going to ask you to do mental math. So you look at an equation, you solve it. Those are pretty easy. There's a table where you're going to pick numbers for n or x and find the value if it works. There'll be one solution for that. And then estimating the solution will be another part. So I'm not going to go further into detail. That's about what you need to know. I'll try and give you some time to practice, maybe some small worksheets or something, but that's it. Okay. Hopefully it makes sense, and make sure you ask questions. See ya.